Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can possibly turn off the blue blinking light and how to turn it off. So the first thing is, under system in EOS D, you want to scroll down past DisplayPort and power LED option is going to be there to check that out. Also, you can switch between the LED being on while the monitor is on and LED being on while it is in standby. It is an OCD menu. So how to get to the OCD menu? First, you're gonna press in the monitor the menu when you're like pressing there. Then you're going to find it right here. This is the OCD, this thing here, and then you're going to be here. And what you want to do with the arrow, you just want to get to the bottom, and there you are going to find down the DisplayPort and power LED option is going to be there, and possibly you're gonna have it on standby, and you can want to choose the different option, and this is how you're gonna fix the issue with it. And this is how we're gonna turn it off. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.